Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Tome AI account. So to delete your Tome AI account, as you can see right here, I'm in my Tome AI account. There is no settings for deleting my account elsewhere here, so everywhere you go there is none. So you can change your name, your email, and upgrade to Pro. So here to do that, to delete your account is basically go search Tome AI terms and services. Terms and conditions will work too. So once you have went there, this is what's gonna look like. So here you'll find in line 12 that in termination, they may suspend to terminate or access your account. So all you have to do is just send them an email here at tome.app@email.com. So here, this is their email that you can email, so you can terminate your account. Basically just email this via Gmail or whatever app that you use. So it's just that simple. Just email this one right here and they will see to it that they will suspend your account. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.